Hey guys, hello and welcome to Zen Innovations, and today we are going to talk about a USB killer which is very nicely disguised, and the USB killer is this, right? This is a hub and this is being openly sold in the market, and I can tell you guys that this is a very cheap hub. And when I researched about this on YouTube, I was surprised to find that there are no videos exposing this kind of faulty product. And let me tell you guys that this product has a very serious flaw, and what can it do is that it can really ruin your day. It could corrupt your laptop, it could corrupt your data, it could blow up your desktop PC. Basically what is happening is that for that we need to understand how USB works. So the first thing is that you have an USB plug over here which has 4 wires. So 2 are there for data and 2 are there for power. Now what an original USB hub will do is that it will carry those 4 wires and it will have little circuitry inside it, and that is going to split the data, and it is going to follow the USB protocol so that you get the functioning of a USB hub. Now what these wise guys, or let's say dumb guys, did is that they took all of those 4 wires and they simply paralleled those wires into each of these ports. So you can see that all of these ports are in direct parallel connection with each other. And when you go on a shop to buy this kind of product, what you do is you test it out. So you plug this end into one computer and you plug a USB stick or say a small hard drive into one of the plug, and then you see that, well, yeah, it works fine. But the problem starts when you plug more than one devices into this USB killer. Yeah, it kills USB devices, so I guess I can call that. This is sold as a USB hub, by the way. Right. So what happens is when you plug more than one device, now if you plug 2 USB sticks over here, both of those USB sticks are in direct short circuit with each other, and naturally, as you guessed it, this is going to ruin your USB sticks as well as corrupt any data which was on them. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope this video is going to save one of your days, and if you are using a stupid product, something like this, make sure to throw it away and dispose it off properly, because this is very dangerous. Alright, and if you want to buy high quality USB hubs, the buying links will be waiting for you in description below. So you can go ahead and buy some nice branded USB hubs and stay away from junk of this kind. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is going to be helpful to you. Take care and have a nice day.